Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was getting ready to go out today and I thought I would sit down and film it for you guys. So basically this is just a get ready with me using new makeup. I want to get back into doing more tutorials for you guys. So if you guys have any tutorials that you want to see from me, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be sure to do those for you. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So I already went ahead and primed my lids using the Nars Tinted Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Starting off with the eyeshadow, we're going in to the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to take the shade Tongue Pop here and use this as my transition. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. I'm then taking the shade Cavity, which is this beautiful bright pink. Definitely what drew me to the palette the most. And I'm gonna take this. I'm taking on a small, like, defined crease brush so that I can really be precise with this color, being that it is so intense. I am going to also make sure that I bring this color quite far in here because I am going to be doing a bit of a cut crease, so I want to make sure that color is visible when I do that. I'm next taking Cherry Soda here, this like kind of deeper brick red color, and I'm going to take that on a more like flat fluffy brush, and I'm using this and applying it in my outer corner. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. I'm then going in with Fresh Meat, a deeper burgundy plum color, and just gonna take it on the same brush and do the same thing with it. I can't focus, I can't forget. I'm then going in with Extraction, and this is just a very deep purple plum shade, and this is going to be focused in the very outer corner just to add more depth. I'm then going back in with Tongue Pop and just kind of going over the edges. I just need to clear my head. I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to use this to do a bit of a cut crease. So I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette, and I'm going to be using this shade Spectrum. I am first going to lay down a little bit of Too Faced glitter glue. I just find that this helps it pop so much more. So I am going to use a little bit of that. So now that I have kind of like the base layer down, I am going to spray my brush a little bit just to make it slightly more metallic. So I'm now going to do some wing liner. This is by the brand W7. It's their Absolute Liner. I've never tried anything from this brand before. My best friend got me a little set from them for Christmas, and this liner seems like it's really good. So I'm just going to do a simple wing with it. Okay, I finished up my liner. I'm going to apply some lashes now, and these are the Ardell Double Up in 203. And yeah, I'm just going to apply them off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, eyes are done for now. I'm going to move on to the face. I did already prime my skin using the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer base. And for foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation with a little bit of the Cover FX Custom Cover Jobs in P30. For concealer, I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape. For powder, I'm going in with the Coty Airspun. This is in Naturally Neutral. I've been stuck on memory, but it's not like I need it. I'm going to finish up the lower lash line now. I'm first going to take some more of this powder and just put a little bit on my under eyes to catch any fallout, because I've had it happen one too many times where I use like a pink eyeshadow. Don't put on any powder under my eyes and then it stains my foundation, so we're not going to do that today. We definitely want to prevent that. So I'm first going in with Tongue Pop, and I'm going to take this all across the lower lash line. I'm then taking Cavity. I'm going to kind of tight line with this. And then going back in with Tongue Pop. And then taking Cherry Soda. And I'm going to apply this in the outer half. And then going to do the same thing with Extraction here. I'm going to take my Morphe spray and just kind of spray my face to make sure all the powder sinks into my skin. So I'm going to contour using my MAC contour palette, and I'm taking this shade right here. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm going in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4 palette. I'm taking Dim Light. I'm going to use this to kind of just go over all of my bronzer, make sure it all looks kind of nicely diffused into the skin. For blush, I'm going into the Morphe 8C palette, and I think I will mix this one and this one together. So It Girl and Driven. Let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said okay, I'm going to bake under that contour. Just gonna use that same powder. I'm just going to be using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in shade number 5 to fill in my brows. Okay, I'm just going to wipe away this bake. I also did finish up the rest of my eyes. I just applied some black liner to my waterline. And then I used this Grande Mascara on my lower lashes. Lastly is highlight. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Highlighting Palette. And I'm going to mix these two shades here. I'm going to set my face again with the Morphe setting spray. And then lastly, I'm applying lipstick. So I'm going to line with the Morphe Backseat Love Lip Liner. And then I'm going in with the Morphe lipstick in Wifey. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. So here is the final look. I love how this turned out. It's a little bit bright, a little bit summery. I love all the products I use. And yeah, I just love how everything turned out and how everything worked. If you guys enjoyed this Get Ready with me, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.